Greetings, Chris here. Welcome to today's review. The platform we're going to look at today is just awesome. If you are creating a business online or you have a business and you need a marketing and just overall all-in-one solution, this is the product for you. It's called Kyvio, and we're gonna get into it today, really get into the nuts and bolts of what it is and how you can use it and how it can benefit you. Generally, when you start to create a business online, and I even teach this in my own training, is you're like, okay, I need a host, I need to figure out a platform, I'm gonna get that set up, and then you start producing content, and then you start thinking, well, maybe I need to start capturing emails, so I need to get a platform for emails as well as my host. And then you're like, well, maybe the best way to capture emails is not just a blog site, but I need a landing page. So you go and find something that gives you landing pages. And then you discover, well, a landing page is just really part of a funnel. I need to get something for my funnels now, and then you're like, well, maybe once I get people in my funnel, I should try to release a digital product on the end of the funnel that they might like. So you've got all these needs, funnels, digital products, you need a domain, platform, you might want to sell merch. You have all these things that you need, and most of these services are subscription based. So before you've even got the ball rolling with your business, you have like $100 to $200 worth of overheads. I mean, some funnel platforms alone are like $100 to $200 a month. So Kyvio is basically a platform that's come out and said, screw all that. Let's get all of those things into one place and let's make it the same price as just one of them. Amazing. So Kyvio is your website. It is your funneling system. It is your email system. It is your product system, and it's even your affiliate management system as well. This product is boasting all these features. It looks amazing. We're gonna get into it in a minute. And the reviews for this thing, the people using it, like real companies are using it, and the reviews and everything for this are just all positive. People are absolutely loving it. Now, before we jump into this, it would really help me out if you just smash that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, as well as tips and advice and more reviews, just click on the subscribe button and also turn on bell notifications. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's see what you can get today. If you click the link in the description and you want to try Kyvio out through selfmadenewbie.com, and we'll also go through a quick 5-minute walkthrough of the product so you can check it out in detail. Let's jump in. So here's the first screen, and we're gonna go through and try out all the different features and basically go step by step into how to build an online business using Kyvio. So we're gonna go through creating some funnels and checking out the smart memberships, and also look at the email marketing and look at what kind of automations you can create in there. So there are a ton more things within Kyvio aside from that, but those are the main things. And if you have any more questions after watching this, you can go and check out the link in the description, and through there you'll find their knowledge base. So as I said, one of the most important things in an online business is creating a funnel, and Kyvio is just designed to do that for you easily. So we're going to design one here. So you click on new funnel, you click the kind of funnel you want to build, and then you can customize it. You go through and add or remove pages. And when you're happy with everything there, you click next. And then here you have a bunch of different templates that you can choose from. Whatever template you go with, it comes with 10 different pages. That includes a pre-sale page, a sales page, webinar pages, and so on. We're gonna go ahead and click on the keto diet one for an example. So the preview comes up straight away. And if you click on the drop down in the top here, you can see each individual page. So you choose that template, and then Kyvio will then build that funnel for you. As you can see here, Kyvio has a really intuitive drag and drop page creator. That's standard these days. If you're not doing drag and drop, I don't know what you're doing. So this is a really intuitive one, really easy to use. And it works similar to WordPress, where you just add in boxes, like here on the left. You can add in text, columns, images, videos, buttons, forms, counters, a bunch of different things. Also a couple of miscellaneous items down there. Another good feature is if you go up in the right here, you can add in your conversion pixels. You can also do split testing. You can have info bars in place and even add pop-ups. So you don't need to rely on a third-party app to create pop-ups either. With page options here, you can optimize your SEO by filling in these details, as well as changing dimensions. So it's very easy to customize and create pages. And for example, on this landing page, when you're done, like other platforms, you just click on the button here and connect all that up. And that can connect through to affiliate networks like JVZoo, ClickBank, etc. So as you can see, completely customizable regardless of what template you choose. One thing Kyvio have really paid mind to is their page load speed. As you can see, this is loading pretty quickly even as you're designing it. And they boast that because of page loading speeds, your speed ranking will always be in the top 10% of similar tools out there. So that's the walkthrough of Kyvio's editor. So once you're happy with that, you can close and save. And then you can see them live whenever you want. So let's go through to building a membership site. And now before we go through the process of building a membership site, let's look at an end result so you know what to expect. So in this example, we'll show you one here called Smart Academy. Smart Academy is actually a course that you can get access to if you go ahead and purchase Kyvio today. So let's go and have a look at what the module structure looks like. So it's a really nice layout of all the modules, very easy to see what you need to do and how to go through them. You just click Access Module and you go right through to the course. And then under the course here, you have your lesson schedule. You click through there and then you can start watching, whatever video corresponds to that. Which can also be edited inside Kyvio, of course. The cool thing about this digital product platform or area is that your students, if you like, can actually tick like what they finished and keep track there, as well as do things like quizzes relating to each video or each course. So creating a course is pretty easy. You just come in, fill in the product name, description, you choose your payment options, you choose your prices and levels. And here, which is really cool, is you can accept payments from, a bunch of places: Stripe, PayPal, JVZoo, Thrive Connect, all the common platforms. And when someone does buy your product, which is just really cool, is that it automatically takes their email address and adds it to your list. And the contents here, you can see it's structured between lesson and then blog and then access level and who has access to that. And it's just really easy to structure and create levels for different memberships. Now when you click edit, you're taken to content editor. And again, that is a drag and drop editor, really easy to use. So you're able to drag and drop text elements, video, images, buttons, and and similar to the page builder, once you're done, you just go down and click save. You can also customize this particular design. You just go over here. So there is a theme editor also included in the Smart Membership area. Once you start making sales and you're getting customers and students, you'll be able to manage your members. And that includes adding them manually or importing them via an CSV file. And you can customize whatever access you want. You want to give them access to certain products, take away access from certain products. That's all easily customizable. And one thing I really like is you can set up drip feed content, which means that maybe you only give out one video per day, which can actually be really helpful. A lot of people try to rush through things, and by rushing through and taking in too much information, they actually absorb hardly anything. So drip feeding is a really good feature with any learning platform. So you can make, for example, this chapter not immediately available, or you can also make it expire after a certain time. Now, when you're done with that, you might want to sell certain things. So you can sell products from your own products to affiliate products, whatever you want to do. You can create lists that set up automations. So for example, if somebody signs up, they're added to an automation and they can go through that email funnel that you create. You can also send one-off emails to people. So this now sounding like, you know, most standalone email automation software out there, like for example, GetResponse, you can do that. You can also set in opt-in forms and collect leads that way. That will funnel right into your email lists. And you also have the option to change your SMTPs if you already have an existing one. So we'll go through how to create a broadcast really quickly, which is basically what platforms like GetResponse would call a newsletter, or just an individual email that you send out. So you click on add new, and then you just go down here, start adding in the details like the recipient and the subject, and it will automatically be placed into that main email field there. So you choose your list, you can exclude certain people, and you also have segmentation, which is pretty powerful. It just ensures that you're emailing the right people with the right offer. If you wanted some automation, you can also do that, as well as subscriber cleanup. So that allows you to move people around who haven't opened your emails, which can actually really help your list. It can help you stop getting blacklisted, for example. So this is a huge platform. I wanted to let you see the funnel and email part the most, because they are just, you know, for those platforms alone, they are the most expensive. And that is because they are the most important. So the fact that you get email marketing and funnels in this one software, in addition to your entire site and page builder, is just amazing. We all know what page builders look like, so I didn't go into that in too much detail. And I know most people probably want to take a look and go, let me see these funnels. You know, how does it stack up to the big funnel platforms out there? And to me, it looks right up there. It looks pretty damn good, as does the email marketing software. I know some bigger names that do less of a job. It's immediately apparent that Kyvio has a lot of the bigger names beat, especially on that email functionality alone. So, I don't know what you're thinking after you saw all that, but when I finished playing around with it, I was like, should I switch over to this? Because I'm paying subscriptions for all kinds of services all over the place, and they do add up. And this thing, you know, it's the same price as Shopify. You know, it's cheaper than ClickFunnels. It's the same price as Thrive Leads. And these are all just offering one service. And on top of that, you got to pay for your hosting as well. So it's tempting. This thing is polished. It looks fresh. It has everything. And yeah, I'm going to do a quick general analysis after this video and try to measure up the pros and cons of each. Because this honestly looks good, and I can see people are using it and it looks amazing. Now, if you want to check it out, I've got the hookup for you. If you click the link in the description, you'll be taken through to the selfmadenewbie.com page, and if you click through there, that will activate your bonuses and it will activate your discounted rate. You can try Kyvio today, whatever package you want, for just $1. For 14 days, no strings attached. You have to go through the link in the description though to activate that. You'll be taken to the Kyvio page where you can check out more and make a purchase, or just sign up for that $1 trial. I almost said $1 free trial. I know a lot of you are watching this and feeling pretty excited. I know it's definitely a platform that can help a lot of people out there, and especially if you're on a budget, this is just gonna be awesome. So click through, check it out, enjoy it, and I hope it is everything that you've always wanted. I think it might be. I'll see you on the next one.